Hi, I'm here to talk to you about the Realityworks new swine litter processing simulators. We saw a need in the market for hands-on simulators to help students with teeth clipping, castration, tail docking, and ear notching. The swine litter processing simulator gives students hands-on practicing of actually processing piglets. What comes with this simulator are 4 piglet simulators, 4 teeth and tail snippers, 4 ear notchers, and 4 plastic scalpels, with up to 500 practice sessions per kit. Also included is our online access to the curriculum and our 1-year limited warranty. Now I would like to walk you through each one of these steps and show you how it would work in a classroom setting. To practice teeth clipping, students use the same tail docking and teeth clipping tool to practice clipping their teeth. To replace the teeth, students take a new set of flat teeth, fold up the edges to create the teeth, and then fold the teeth in half to simulate the jaw. You then load the teeth into the mouth. Using the fake scalpel, students are able to simulate cutting the hide. They can simulate cutting the membrane and also simulate cutting the spermatic cord. This simulator also allows students to pop the testicle out rather than cutting the spermatic cord. One more time, students are able to palpate the testicle, locate, remove from the membrane, loading the testicles is a very quick step. Students load them from the stomach of the piglet, clasp the finger cot into the holder, and push the testicle down. Now you're ready for the next use. To simulate the tail docking, students grab the tooth, nipper, and tail docking clippers and are able to cut the cord. After the tail has been clipped and there's more tail that is needed, students are able to pull more tail from the pig. Once all of the tail is used up, students are able to load more tail cord into the pig. Using our ear notching tool, students are able to practice notching ears. Once the student has completed notching the ears, you can remove the set of ears, then load a clean one for the next student's practice. As you can see, you are able to use this product to teach the fundamental knowledge for piglet processing and allow students to safely practice the techniques needed. If you have any questions or would like to receive more information, please use the information on the screen and we'll be happy to help.